I'll try to sleep, man. What's up, guys? You don't know your boy Jnel. As you can see by the title of this video, I will be spending a night on a roof, like literally on a roof. And the reason why I'm doing this is because a lot of YouTubers have been doing this overnight challenge where they spend like a night somewhere weird or somewhere they never spent a night before. So that's the reason why I decided to do this challenge. So like, this is actually my first time sleeping outside, you get me, sleeping on a roof to be exact, you get me. So I hope everything goes well, because you know, outside there's lizards. I mean, like, one of the worst thing that could happen is the rain come down while I'm on the roof sleeping and stuff like that. I want you guys to wish me luck. Kids, please don't try this at home. I don't recommend this, none at all, you understand, unless you're an adult to make your own decisions and stuff. These kids be playing rough. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the stuff I'm going to need to comfort me while I'm on the roof overnight. Like, I'm so nervous right now, you guys wouldn't even understand. Even though I'm not going to do it now, it's like a couple hours from now because it's just after 12. But I'm going to prepare the things I'm going to need to sleep on the roof. Oh boy, I'm so nervous. And the reason why I'm taking this is because mosquitoes in Jamaica, they are mentally ill. Like, literally, mentally ill. Okay, I'm done. So there you go, guys. Those are all the things that I'll be needing for tonight. Oh, something gone on me eye. Yeah, so those are all the things that I'll be... Yeah, so those are all the things that I'll be needing on the roof tonight, which is bread, you know, a bucket of water, my towel, my sheet, and especially the mosquito net, because mosquitoes in Jamaica, they are mentally ill. So guys, I'll be back like close to night, but not night, you get me. So I'll update you guys when it's getting dark. Wish me luck. So guys, it's currently 2:36. Yeah, currently 2:36, and I'm just here watching TV for the time being, you know, because this is what I do daily. I'm just here watching TV.
That's one lane pickup line.
I got another one for you. Get ready, this one's...
So guys, I'm finished watching TV, so it's time for me to get a couple hours of rest. It's so hot, Jesus. It's very hot in Jamaica in the summer, so I'm gonna like take a couple hours of sleep, maybe like an hour and a half, 2 hours of sleep, and then I'll get back to you guys. Boom. So guys, I literally just woke. Yeah, it's currently can you guys see it? Yeah, so it's currently 5 o'clock. Oh, hold on. Yeah, so it's currently 5 o'clock, you get me? So I'm getting more nervous because it's approaching dark now. Like, sooner it will be dark, you get me? So I'm not fully awake, so when I'm fully awake, I'll come back, guys. So guys, I'm fully awake now, and yeah, as you see earlier, it's after 5, like literally probably like 6 minutes after 5 now, and it's almost sunset time. So I decided to get you guys a little time lapse, you know, after sunset in Jamaica. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope like the roof is high enough for me to see this, oh would I forget the word so quick? So I hope the roof is high enough so I can see the sunset, you know, so I can get you guys a beautiful time lapse. So this is how I have to get to the roof. I have to climb on the wall, then go on the tree, and then I'm on the roof. So I'll be climbing right now. So guys, I'm on the roof now, right? And there's a lot going on here. Look at this. There's so much mango on the roof right now. There's so much mangoes on the roof right now, so tonight I won't be hungry at all, you know. So this is on the roof, and this is another mango. Wait a little bit. Alright, let's jump. Yeah. So luckily, like, alright, so this is the roof, right? So this is it. This is the roof, right? And this tree covers the roof. So luckily I have a shelter from like night dew and stuff like that. Try and get a nice thumbnail right now. Oh wait, and in case if you guys don't know what that yellow thing is, wait, let me pick it. So if you guys don't know what this is a mango, a Jamaican mango. Yeah, so if you guys are gonna ask, it's a mango. Alright, so let me show you my sleeping spot for tonight. I think I'll be sleeping under these branches. I'll be sleeping like right there. I'll be sleeping right here, a nice spot. You get me? So that's my bed for tonight. So yeah, it's a pretty good look. So guys, I'm gonna have this one more mango because they are so delicious. Like if you come to Jamaica and you don't try a mango, trust me, you're missing out. Like your vacation was a waste. I wonder if I should have said that. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this last mango and you guys can get to see it live in HD 1080p 60 frames per second, if you know what I mean, you know. So let me set my camera right here. Set it right here. Yeah, and I'll sit right here. Ooh, damn. The sun is nice at this time of evening, so I'm gonna finish like a whole mango for you guys so you can see. Ooh, this is so sweet. Ooh. It's like these mango literally have sugar inside. It's so sweet. So tonight I'll be good. I won't be hungry at all. I might just leave my bread. No, I won't do that. I think that's it. And I can hardly see like the sun for me to catch the sunset, but I'm going to try my best to get it for you guys. I can't even see the camera because the sun is blinding me right now, but I don't think I'll be able to catch the sunset, sorry. So guys, I'll be heading down off the roof right now, and then I'll be back soon. So once I get off the roof, wash my hands, drink some water and stuff like that, I'll tell you guys what's the next move. Oh wait, so peeps, I'm going to get my things as of now. Like, I want to get it from early so you guys can actually see that I actually put my things behind me, which is right here. So guys, I'm off the roof as you can see, but I still can taste the mango. Like, the mango literally tastes like sugar. So I need to drink some water, like, honestly. This was good. So there you go guys. So right now I'm gonna get my sheet, my water, my everything, and pack them in my bag, bring them on the roof. So guys, as you know, it's packing time. I'll have to get going. Back just like this. So I just came up with my things, so it's time for unpacking. So I look like a guy in the jungle, like in the wild. Yeah, you get the drift. I'm sweating right now. It's so hard to come up with this bag. You get me? But I'm gonna unpack my things right now, make my bed, and you guys will get to see that also. Thanks for coming on this adventure with me, I swear. Oh, I'm so tired. That's it. It's all set. My bed is done. I have my sheet, my blanket, towel, whatsoever, my bread, everything that I need. So it's time for me to wait until it's dark, it's night, and that is the fun part for you guys, I guess, but not for me because I'll be outside. So guys, I'll be back when it's dark. So guys, I'm currently outside, right? So I'm going to make my way up to the roof. So this is when I won't be coming back off the roof. It's currently 8:40 guys. I don't know if you guys can see the time. I'm gonna make my way up. I'm gonna make my way up on the roof right now. Oh my gosh, this is so nerve-wracking. I'm currently on the roof, you know. It's 8:49. If you guys don't believe that I'm actually on the roof, I'm gonna show you right now. is the roadway. So that's proof to show you that I'm on the roof. So I just received a call from my niece because she missed me and she wanted to talk to me. So I'm gonna go in bed right now and call my niece. I'm in my bed right now, right? And to show you guys that this is legit. There's the leaves. There's the roadway. So I'm actually on the roof. You get me? This is just an extra battery for my camera in case my camera die. Yeah, so I'm going to call my mom right now and break the news to her that I'm on the roof. So let's see what my mom have to say about this. You get me?
Asleep.
Oh, you asleep?
Yeah, frightening.
You frighten you? Oh, I never mean to frighten you, man. Is that video me I doing them up on the roof?
Okay, on the rooftop?
Yeah, sleep. Me I go sleep on the roof in the night.
Oh, God.
Eh? Oh.
You go sleep up there?
Yeah, for the night.
Why?
No, it's just a YouTube video, mommy. It's a challenge.
So you go sleep up on the house top?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Mommy, it's a YouTube. It's just a video me I do. I don't know nothing serious. Me have sheet and all them something there.
Why you catch cold, you know?
Me not catch no cold one.
Eh?
Me I call Marlon because now you want to talk to me.
Me I call him but he not answer the phone, so me don't know.
I'm just a call my while ago. Me I'll call back and see if I can get them. So me show it tomorrow, mommy. I go see the video.
Later.
Yeah, man, I go see the video. Alright, mommy.
Alright.
So guys, that was my mom, and she was like, oh, you're gonna catch cold and blah blah blah, but if I catch cold, so be it. You get me? I mean alright, so I'm gonna call about my niece and see what's up and see if I get her, cause the phone be ringing off. Hey Naya.
She's going upstairs. She's
So what are you doing, man?
I'm playing GTA.
Do you always play games, Shay?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Don't lie to me, man.
I'm not lying.
Okay.
I closed that.
Come on, man. Where's your face, man?
Because I'm playing the game.
Oh, so you don't. Oh, so you rather play the game than talk to your uncle then?
No.
So where's Naya? Call her. So I'm going soon, cause you know where I am right now.
Where?
I'm on the roof.
On the roof?
Yeah, I'm gonna sleep on the roof for one night.
What?
I'm gonna sleep on the roof for one night.
Actually?
Huh?
Wait, yeah. Nah.
Hey Naya.
He's gonna sleep on the roof.
Guess where I'm at?
Huh?
Guess where I'm at?
On the roof.
I can't see your face. Where's your face?
On the roof.
Yeah, I'm gonna sleep on the roof for one night.
Why?
Cause it's for a YouTube video. So I'm recording this right now on my camera. Do you see my camera?
Where? Here?
Do you see it right here? Come on,
When are you posting on YouTube?
When am I posting it?
Yeah.
I'm posting it tomorrow and you're gonna be in it.
Ow.
Because the camera is recording you on the video call. See? You see it?
Yeah.
So you wanna see yourself on YouTube?
Huh?
You wanna see yourself on YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna see yourself on YouTube tomorrow, okay?
When are you gonna go to sleep?
You know how messed up this is? I'm on the roof and I literally can't find my phone. Like, this is serious. I'm feeling all over for my phone and I can't find it. So it's currently 9:29 p.m. It's getting really late and I haven't had dinner yet, so it's dinner time. So what I'll be having for dinner, guys, is, you know, drink some. So I'm just gonna have a slice of bread, you know, and drink some water. That's it. Bedtime. So the bikes are even lower on the roof, honestly. Even the cars are lower on the roof. So the good thing is, guys, is that on the roof it's so cool. I mean, like, I feel like I'm in the lower part of a fridge. You get me? Like, if I was inside, I would probably be sweating right now because it's hot inside, even when the fan is on. So safe to say, guys, I don't need no fan up here. You get me? I'm cool. I'm good. It's so nice, but the thing is that I'm on the roof. That's the thing. It's actually good up here. I mean the view is nice. So guys, I'm currently doing a time check and it's actually so it's 8 minutes after 10. So guys, right now I'm scared because I keep seeing lightning flashing. I don't know if you guys can actually see it. So I'm worried about getting struck by lightning right now. You know what, I'm just gonna keep thinking positive. You get me? It's 17 minutes after 10 right now. I'm gonna see if I can, like, you know, get a little sleep right now, because I have nothing to do. All I can do is be on my phone and to lay on these zincs, earth. I mean, I can feel it touching my bones and stuff like that. So I'm gonna try to see if I can get some sleep right now. Yeah, so wish me luck, guys. It's crazy. I can't believe I'm actually doing this. Let me turn my flashlight on. Yeah, I brought an extra sheet to cover myself from mosquitoes. So let's see if I can cover up right now. Try to see if I can get some rest. This is the zinc iron bone. Shit. Okay, I'll try to sleep now. Guys, that was a mango. Drop out the tree. I swear to God. I was like, what the fuck is that? So you guys can see that I'm actually on the roof, because I'm here just now and the mango just fell out the tree and fell on the roof. Trust me, my heart is beating so fast right now because frightening me, I swear. Yo, like damn. So guys, it's currently 9 minutes after 1. Let me show you guys. So we have like 4 hours to go before I can go inside. And there wasn't no rain or nothing. We're still waiting to see if the rain is gonna fall. But it's 9 minutes after 1. You know, we actually have 4 hours before I can go inside. But this has been an experience. Honestly, get some more rest and wake up when, hopefully I wake up when it's almost daylight. Because I'm going back at 5. So let's see what happens. Good night, peace. Yeah, it's 2:47. So it's getting closer and closer to daylight. Getting closer and closer to daylight. Still on the roof, as you can see. In case you think it's not real, it is real. I'm actually on the roof. 2:48, almost 3 o'clock, and I'm coming off here by 5 o'clock. So I guess I have like a 1.5 more to get some more rest, and then I'll be out, peeps. So yeah, I get some more rest now. It's currently 3:56. Yeah, a couple of minutes to 4. I'm still on the roof. No joke. Yeah, so I'm still on the roof, no joke thing. The thing is, like, my bone keep rubbing on the zinc. Like, I can actually feel it. But the zinc is like up and down. I can feel it rubbing on the bone literally. So I'm not gonna be left in a lot of pain. For real. So we have an hour to go until 5 o'clock, guys, so let's wish me luck. Wish me luck. 1 more hour to go, and then I can go inside. It's currently 5 o'clock, so it's time to get out the roof and go back to a normal life. Isn't it? Time to get out the roof and go back to a normal life. Peeps, 1 night on a roof, I finally done it. And I didn't cheat, I didn't come off the roof at all. I've been up here since the time I came up. You get me? So I can successfully say I've been on the roof for 1 night. Ooh. Yeah. So what I'm going to do right now, peeps, is pack my things and I'll meet you guys on the ground. But let me show you that it's actually 5 o'clock. Go. So that's 1 minute after 5 now. So I'll be heading off the roof now, peeps. So I'll meet you guys on the ground. So So I'm going to give you guys a time lapse of daylight, when it's approaching daylight. You get me? So I'll meet you guys on the ground. So I'm finally back on the ground, peeps. It's after 5, couple minutes after 5, maybe like 5:20 or something like that. You understand? So I actually spent a night on the roof. This is unbelievable, people. Like, I've never think about like spending a night outside. You get me? And I'm doing it for you guys. So I hope you guys like the video. You understand? If you like the video, just like, share, and also subscribe. And after you subscribe, just click the notification bell, because I really appreciate it. So anytime there's an upload, you guys will get notified immediately after you click the bell. Both sides of my thighs in so much pain because of the zinc, and you know, the zinc have a little bumpy thing, and it's been rubbing against my skin and my bone all night. It's not nothing too you know, too rough or too dangerous, or I'm not feeling a lot of pain. It's just minor pains, you get me, because you know, I'm not used to it. So thanks for watching, guys. Leave a comment of what kind of video you'd like to see next, because that would be exciting. So thanks, guys. You don't know your boy Jnel, and I'm out.